So hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all are fine. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make Metal's Bat's Bat. Well, it's a character from One Punch Man, and if you have watched that anime, then you have known about this character. Well, this character actually carries a metal baseball bat with him that works like a weapon with him. So yes, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make this metal bat out of paper. So I've got a comment from a while ago from a person who asked me to make a metal bat's bat in paper. So yes, I'm going to show you how you can easily make this. It is very easy to make. Anyone can build this at home. So yes, this is what I'm going to show in this video. So let us start the video already.
If you wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever. Stay here forever. Baby, I'm just keeping